Uses the new Suprema thing. As you can see, it's extremely flexible, very cool, very fun to play with.